Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called MAC. Yes, it is their retro matte lipsticks. So here are the two shades. One is the mini one and one is the actual size. So let me quickly tell you about the mini lipstick. Can you guess which shade is this? This shade is more hyped, famous shade, and it is none other than Ruby Woo. Okay, so yes, I too love this lipstick. It is beautiful. The shade is beautiful. Let me quickly give you a swatch about this lipstick. Can you just see how beautiful? It's one stroke application, guys. It is beautiful. Now this shade is going to go well with all skin tone, okay, whether it is medium, dark, fair. It's going to look very, very good, and it is to be praised, by the way. So this is the shade. Now if you want to give it a try, you want to try MAC lipsticks, it is better you invest on a mini lipstick, because this is priced at 1050 rupees. So if you want to try their shade range, how it is, you can try the mini one first and then buy the actual size, because these are expensive lipsticks. Yes, it is on an expensive side. So yeah, this is what it is. And I don't have the packaging, guys. I don't know, I'm not getting the packaging. This comes with plastic, I mean the packaging it is in a plastic transparent pouch. So that is how you're going to get the mini one. And the other shade is Flat Out Fabulous. Okay, so currently what I have applied is the same shade, and this actual size is priced at 1700 rupees. So before you could invest on 1700 rupees, please invest on the smaller one and try. If you like the formula, if you like the lipstick, then later on, once you finish the mini one, you can purchase the actual size. Okay, so let me quickly give you the swatch of this lipstick. Can you see? It's a beautiful shade. So earlier I purchased this one. By then this shade was not there in the mini version. Okay, so when I was searching for a pink lipstick from MAC, I wanted to give it a try how MAC lipsticks are, whether it is worth or not. So when I was purchasing this, that time it was mini lipstick was there only in Ruby Woo. The shade Ruby Woo was only available in the mini version, and there were no other shades available. So that's why I had to purchase the actual size. I like it, so I will surely give the review in the end after the demo. Okay, so that is why I had to purchase the actual size, or I would have purchased the mini one itself. Okay, so now this actual size lipstick, the shade is available in the mini version also. So now in mini version there are 20 shades available. So if you want to give it a try, you can aram se give it a try. Okay, yeah guys, so without wasting time, let me quickly give you the demo, and then let's talk about how these lipsticks are, whether you have to invest on this lipstick, whether it is worth investing on this lipstick. Yes, because it is at expensive side. So I will tell you my own opinion about this lipsticks. So yeah guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so you just saw the demo, and I think most of you love the shade Ruby Woo, because I personally too love Ruby Woo. Okay, now the staying power of these lipsticks are 3 to 4 hours. Okay, that's it. You cannot expect more than this. You have to reapply it again. And there is one negative thing what I don't like about these lipsticks is if you are eating something, let it be anything, it just goes away from here. It goes away from here, and you know, you're just left out like a lip liner. How you apply it is just left out like that, so you will have to retouch it again and again. And especially if you're eating oily food, then forget it, it's gonna go away totally. Okay, so that is it, about the staying power and things like that. And guys, MAC is not a cruelty free product. Okay, it is not a vegan product. They test on animals. Yes, so it is not a cruelty free product. It's your choice if you want to purchase it or not. Now the coverage wise, yes, the coverage is good. Just one stroke application, you don't have to apply it again and again. You just touch once and you're done. Now these lipsticks are transfer proof. No, it is not transfer proof, guys. It transfers. Yeah, so you can just see I have given you the swatch test that time, and here it is. So it is going to budge off and it transfers. I had applied this lipstick. It transfers. Okay, it transfers. And guys, the other shade, Flat Out Fabulous, which I have shown you, it is at a creamier side, but not with the Ruby Woo one. Ruby Woo is totally matte. Even when you're applying it is matte. Okay, you feel the lipstick is matte and it gives you instant matte look, and there is no shine in this lipstick. But at Flat Out Fabulous you have that shine, and if you want it to look matte, then you will have to use a tissue paper, you know, to transfer it a bit, or you know, wipe a little bit, and then it's going to look like a matte one. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, you can give the Ruby Woo one. You can buy that and try it out, but I guess you will get such shades even in an affordable price range as well. So yeah, this is what it is about my opinion. I will not repurchase them again. If you ask my opinion, I will be not repurchasing these shades again once I'm done using this. Currently I have it, I will have to use it, but after this I will not be using it up, because the same shade I am having it at a way affordable price. I think the Purple Mini lipstick, which I had shared a review also, so those lipsticks are much better and the price range is superb. So if you want to try, yes, you can try the Ruby Woo shade, and that shade goes well with all skin tones, so you can give that a try. But if you ask me, then I will not recommend it. If you want, you can give it a try. Just because of the brand you want to try, yes, it is a MAC lipstick, I want to give it a try, then yes, you can give it a try. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.